Welcome to this High-Peak Conversions Tambour door installation guide, Part 1, fitting inside an existing cupboard carcass. In this tutorial, the door will be mounted directly onto the sides of the cupboard. Your kit should contain 2 tracks, 2 spirals, and the door itself. Firstly, using double-sided tape, stick the spirals to the top of the cupboard walls, making sure they are level. If you want, you can also add a screw to the middle to secure them. Next, carefully roll the door fully up into the spirals. Using double-sided tape, stick the tracks onto the sides below the spirals. Make sure they are pushed tightly up to the opening of the spirals, as this will avoid the door snagging as it passes over the joint between the tracks and spirals. Then, you can simply pull your door down and it is installed. Make sure that the door is tight enough to support its own weight when you open it partway. If it drops back down like a guillotine, the tracks will need to be moved closer together by packing them to increase the friction. Thanks for watching, and please visit highpeakconversions.co.uk for the best prices and our complete range of quality conversion parts.